Hi friends, welcome to lecture 7 of Let's Excel series at TrendBends. I'm your mentor and coach Divanshu Kapoor. Let's move to Excel. Today what we'll be doing is some kind of formatting on border styles. So for example, I want to uh, make some grid here. So I'll go to this option. This is draw outside border. So by default, there are certain options. I have already explained how to select all borders and thick borders, but there's a lot of customization which we can do here. So for example, if I want to select a particular type of color, say yellow, and I want a particular type of line style, say I want to select double lines, and I want to make a grid out of it. So your mouse cursor will change to a pencil, and there is a small grid also there. So this tells us that we can make a grid out of the selected style. So let's put it like this, and you can see now our data is formatted in this form. Now suppose I don't want some of the lines in between, I can select the erase border option, and suppose I don't want these lines, I can just click on those borders and remove it. And suppose I want to draw a line in between, so and I want to draw it with a different color. So say I want to draw it with a blue color, and I want the style also a bit different. Say I want this style, and so I'll go to draw border, and I'll do it in this way. So a lot of customization options are there. Another thing which we can do is we can go to the format cells options. So how do we go to the format cells options? So we select the data, we right click on it, and we select on format cells. So you can see there's a shortcut written here, command 1. So this is the command key of Mac and 1. So I can also use the shortcut. So let me press command 1 on my keyboard. You will see border options here. So this is a further extensive list. Uh, Here, for example, I want some of the lines like this also. So let's select some data. For example, I have these cells, and I want to change the uh, I want the data should be represented in this form. So the cell should have a diagonal in them, and I want their color to be, say, green. So I can do that, and you see the lines have been attached. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this lecture. We'll meet soon. Gracias and adios. Hasta luego.